torture devices.
You're on 6.
Do it again.
Now you're going to 7?
No.
How does this go?
10.
Come on. I'm only on 6. Balls!
You're a snap.
What's it on now? Am I on 8?
No, you're on 6. I haven't turned it up yet. Alright, Zinni, you want to try?
No, my hand hasn't closed yet.
Are you asking for more?
Oh, yes. God!
You're on 9 or 8. Hurt yourself. Don't turn it off?
Jesus Christ!
Turn it off.
Oh, what the fuck is this? Voodoo magic!
I bet you...
Try
Let me
it.
control it.
No. I'm taking it up slowly.
Oh, you don't want to know if you're stronger than me?
I know I'm stronger than you.
You don't.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, wow, because you can do more push-ups than me because you're light.
Because I have more muscle.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Really? Show me your muscle.
What does he have?
You've seen my muscle.
No, show me your muscle now.
You've seen it.
Alright, now.
I'm
I'm going to show you how I can do this. It's only on 3. But, I'm smart. Oh, look. It's not holding down. I win.
Because you're a cheater.